Hi, welcome back. Tonight's video is going to be on the short side. We did get the starter in. It came pretty well boxed. And there's another box that it came in and is bubble wrapped and had this kind of bubble wrap all around it. But here's the starter I got. I think it's from DB Electric. 24 volts, so I'm gonna have to hook up 2 batteries. Would have been nice if I would have known I had to buy the bolts. That's the problem I ran into this evening. Put this over here. Went around my whole town to see, well, there's only O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Napa. Napa's closed, and their bolts are probably gonna be $30 a piece. Anyways, we're around town. O'Reilly's is gonna have one come in Thursday, and AutoZone couldn't even order it. So I'm gonna reach out to my dad, see if he can find some around where he lives. Maybe bring it to me this weekend. Maybe have him help me put it on and maybe start it up. But while I was there, I got some battery cables because we're gonna have to hook 2 batteries in a series. To start that, turn it over. Anyways, I got a red and black one. I don't know why, but it should have enough length to them to make that happen. And I got 2 new terminals because I figure I'm gonna get one of these out. Scared me. Probably gonna have to get another 2 terminals. Anyways, my idea was to hook this in to the battery, just enough cable, cut it, put another end on that to another battery, and then put another end on the other cable we cut, and run that to the to the ground somewhere on the truck, and the red one to go to the back of that starter. So I do need about 2 more terminals. Get this before I lose it. We'll try to do that this weekend, or here in the next couple days. And so behind me, we got an oil change. I got a Wix filter for it, new filter, and didn't really know what to get since I never had a diesel. So I went by what they recommended, and it was a 10W30. And this is a heavy duty diesel engine oil. So, with all that being said, probably just gonna get an oil change tonight. Since we already went over the starter. Yeah, kind of makes you angry. I didn't know, I thought they was gonna send bolts with it, but I guess it didn't look close enough. But the starter cost $125, and that's shipped. There's free shipping, so that extra $10 is the tax. But hopefully, it may not be next video, but within the next couple videos, we'll put the starter on, crank it over, and hopefully put some little diesel to it. Maybe hear it run just a little bit. But I think tonight, like I said, we're gonna just give an oil change, and hopefully those boards will be gone by tomorrow. And if not, we'll move them somewhere else, and we may jump back on the Bronco next video. Anyways, let's get over there. It's fixing a storm, which is a good thing. I hadn't rain in forever. So we're gonna head over there and start changing the oil. That's all I got for you tonight. I'll see you next time.